Are you looking for the top 5 best tub repair kits? Save money and time. Hey everyone, I recently took on the challenge of finding the best tub repair kits out there. I bought and tested 5 different products, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're dealing with chips, cracks, or those pesky holes in your bathroom fixtures, I've got the inside scoop on what really works. Let's dive in.
Product number 1, Globalcom Tub and Fiberglass Shower Repair Kit. When I first opened the Globalcom Tub and Fiberglass Shower Repair Kit, I was greeted with a compact package that promised a lot. We've all been there, a tiny chip in the tub that seems to grow larger every time you look at it. The first thing I noticed was how easy it was to use. The kit comes with a 3.7-ounce cream that's designed to be mixed and applied directly to damaged areas. I decided to put it to the test on my bathroom's fiberglass tub, which had seen better days. The instructions were straightforward. Mix the resin and hardener in equal parts, and then apply it to the damaged area. I loved that it cured to a strong, waterproof finish, which was a game changer for me. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, this kit is incredibly versatile. It works on various surfaces, including acrylic, porcelain, and even ceramic tiles. I was particularly impressed by the perfect color match feature. It blends seamlessly with different shades from white to almond. The fact that it's non-toxic and has no unpleasant smell made it a winner for me, especially when I think of the time I tried a different product that left my bathroom smelling like a chemical factory. On the flip side, I did find that the mixing process could be a bit tricky for someone who isn't familiar with DIY tasks. If you're not careful, you might end up with a slightly uneven mixture. Also, the curing time is about 12 hours, so patience is key here. So why should you buy this kit? Well, if you're looking for a cost-effective solution that delivers professional results without the hefty price tag of hiring a repairman, then this is the kit for you. It saved me a lot of money and hassle. Plus, the company is keen on customer satisfaction, so if you run into any issues, they're ready to help. All in all, I found the Globalcom Tub and Fiberglass Shower Repair Kit to be a solid investment for anyone looking to maintain their bathroom fixtures without breaking the bank. Product number 2, Fen-Phandos Tub and Shower Repair Kit White. Next up is the Fen-Phandos Tub and Shower Repair Kit, which I decided to test on a chipped porcelain sink. Right out of the gate, I was impressed with its compact dimensions, which made it easy to store. The kit is designed for a variety of surfaces, including bathtubs, sinks, and even tiles. Just like the previous product, it uses a mix of 2 components that you combine in a 1-to-1 ratio. I was a bit skeptical at first, but after mixing it up and applying it to the sink, I was pleasantly surprised by how firm it became after the curing process. The pros are numerous. First, the waterproof feature is a lifesaver, especially for a bathroom where moisture is always an issue. It truly bonds well and resists running water once dried. Moreover, it doesn't emit any harmful odors, which is important for those of us who like to keep things fresh. On the con side, the kit doesn't come with a lot of extra tools, so if you're looking for a comprehensive set, you might need to gather some items from your toolbox. Additionally, while the curing time is just about the same as the previous kit, I felt it could use a more precise applicator for finer repairs. So, should you buy the Fen-Phandos kit? Absolutely. If you're looking for a dependable solution that's easy to use and effective, this kit is a great choice. It's particularly ideal for those who want a quick fix without the need for professional help. In short, it's a fantastic addition to any DIY enthusiast toolkit. Product number 3, Globalcom Tub Repair Kit White. Moving on to the Globalcom Tub Repair Kit White, I was eager to see how it compared to the previous 2 kits I had tested. This one also boasts a waterproof and durable finish after curing, which is essential for any bathroom repair. The kit is straightforward. It includes all the necessary components, and I found the instructions easy to follow. I put it to test on an acrylic bathtub that had a few annoying scratches. Mixing the components was simple, and I appreciated the clear guidance on the application process. What stood out were the results. The repair was nearly invisible once cured, and the finish was as smooth as the original surface. Pros include its versatility across multiple surfaces: fiberglass, porcelain, and even ceramic. The environmentally friendly and non-toxic formula is another huge plus. On the downside, I did notice that the curing process took a bit longer than I anticipated, which could be an inconvenience if you're in a hurry. Also, while the color match is decent, it may not be perfect for every shade, so keep that in mind. Should you buy this kit? If you need a reliable, versatile option for your repair needs, go for it. It's a great value for the cost, especially when you consider the money saved on professional repairs. Overall, the Globalcom Tub Repair Kit White is a solid choice for anyone looking to tackle minor damage in their bathrooms.
Product number 4, N-Docken Bath Repair Kit White. Next, I tested the N-Docken Bath Repair Kit, which caught my eye with its promises of easy application and professional quality results. The first thing I noticed was its unique tubular design, which made it easy to squeeze out the repair compound. I applied it to some scratches on my ceramic sink and was quite pleased with how smoothly it spread. The mixing process was straightforward, and I was able to see the results almost immediately. The pros of this kit are its high-quality viscosity and the smooth finish it provides. I found that it adhered well to various surfaces, including enamel and fiberglass. Additionally, this kit comes with several auxiliary tools that make the process easier. On the downside, the instructions could be clearer, especially for those who are new to DIY repairs. While the product claims to be waterproof, I would recommend waiting a full day before exposing it to water, just to be safe. So, is this kit worth the investment? I'd say yes, especially for those who want a professional-looking repair without the professional price tag. It's user-friendly and versatile, making it a great choice for anyone looking to fix up their bathroom fixtures. Product number 5, Fen-Phandas Tub and Fiberglass Shower Repair Kit. Finally, I tested the Fen-Phandas Tub and Fiberglass Shower Repair Kit, which promised a lot with its multi-surface capabilities. I had a few chips in my acrylic bathtub that had been bothering me for a while, so this was the perfect opportunity to see how well it worked. The kit was easy to use, and I appreciated the clear, concise instructions. Once I mixed the components, I applied it directly to the damaged areas. I found that it blended well with the surrounding surface. On the pro side, the waterproof feature was impressive. It held up well against moisture, and the finish was smooth and durable after curing. The color match was also spot on for my tub, which was a big relief. However, I did find that the curing time was slightly longer than I expected, which could be a drawback for anyone needing a quick fix. Additionally, while it's a great kit overall, it could use a few more tools for application. Should you invest in this kit? Absolutely. If you want an effective and cost-efficient solution to your bathroom repairs, this is a fantastic choice. Overall, the Fen-Phandas Tub and Fiberglass Shower Repair Kit is a winner in my book. To wrap it up, all 5 of these tub repair kits offer unique features that cater to various needs. Whether you're looking for something fast, cost-effective, or versatile, there's definitely a kit here for you. I highly recommend giving one of these a try if you're facing any issues with your bathroom fixtures. Thanks for watching, and happy repairing!